Lytle Signs is a company we started in 1948, and we've continually grown from that time, offering the newest technology. We've been looking at many different software operating systems and had an opportunity on several occasions and never really got comfortable with the answers that we got. And because some other folks that I respect had purchased it, we looked heavily into this. For what it does do, we thought it would be the best system to use. I've enjoyed being able to look at accounts payable, receivable quickly, how much each salesman is selling and how profitable that salesperson is to the company. And we can track a lot of things that we could never even think of tracking in the past. In fact, I can go access what's going on right now from my motel room.